Hey guys, what's up? It's Allie. I'm here with another vlog, which I'm super excited about. I'm back in the same place my other vlog started, but this is my makeup and beauty room, so it's where I get ready. As you can tell, I am not ready, and it is 8:38 in the morning, 8:39 now. And I took a vacation day today. I kind of took a mental health day just because I really needed one. I know it's Thursday, so we just had the weekend. It's almost the weekend, and it was just Labor Day. But like, none of those days like matter as much as when you decide to take the day for yourself instead of you get this day off, you get this day off. Like, it feels so good to just be at home right now. Duke and I literally just got out of bed probably no more than 10 minutes ago, and I took him potty. Now, I've been awake since 7:30 because my alarms were going off and I kept snoozing, and then Riley and I were talking and I was like, I want to. We talked about it yesterday. I didn't feel good yesterday. I didn't feel like myself yesterday, and so I took all of today, which works out even better. It feels like fall outside. Riley, for some reason, doesn't have class, and so he just has work. Hi, handsome boy. Duke was being so snuggly, and I just needed this day for me. So whether I'm going to like lay in bed all day or sit on my couch and just like feel better, or if I'm gonna film a lot of or if I want to film a ton of videos and go to the DMV, which is what I'm going to do probably, then that doesn't matter because it's a day for me and it's what I want to get done. It's what I need for myself to do. So I am so excited about today. I have my water bottle. When I'm at work, I usually drink out of my tumbler, and I usually get like 30 ounces before like lunchtime. So being at home and I don't have that tumbler and like an ice dispenser, I have to drink cold water bottles because I like need water. I literally thrive on water. I probably get like 90 ounces a day, and so excuse me. Hey. So when I'm at home and don't have like my cup or like the ice machine and stuff, I always end up getting a headache. So I'm trying to prevent that today. Also keep myself hydrated, make myself feel better. Mentally, physically, all of that. So I'm gonna drink this before I like eat any food, and it'll be gone by the time I'm done with my makeup. So now on to the real agenda. I'm gonna get ready because it's 8:40 in the morning and I have to go to the DMV. I turned 21 on August 30th and have not made it to the DMV yet to change my license. Now, before you shame me because it's September 13th, just remember, actually probably none of you know this, but I use the DMV's website and services on a daily at work, and so I know that their systems have been down in Idaho because they were revamping it, and then they finished revamping it and it did not work. It was broken, their systems were down, so they've been down for a couple weeks. So they're finally back up a couple days ago, and now I actually have the time to go. I would have had to leave work in like the middle of the day. Who knows how long that line will take. So luckily I took today off, and I'm going to go to the DMV as soon as I can get decent, just so there's not a ton of people. Also, we live in an area that there's not a ton of people, so it shouldn't be bad. But I've had a couple friends have to go, and they've said it's been super busy because their systems have been down, so everyone's like hurrying to renew or get the stuff done that they need done, so that they don't get a ticket, obviously. Oh, the picture that I have now, that I got when I changed my last name after I got married, is horrible. That picture is terrible. I had blonde hair, which I normally have blonde hair. I'm like a natural dirty blonde, but I had really blonde hair. I didn't have very much makeup on because it was after work, so like everything had come off. My hair was not done, so it was like poofy, and like this length right here, everything was beige basically. Like everything blended in. I look so bad. They don't let you smile, so my cheeks are like puffy and chunky and so bad. seriously so bad. It's gnarly, but so I'm gonna get a little bit ready and then go. I'm gonna quit chatting your ear off and I will just catch up with you guys once my makeup's done. Okay, I'm trying out this outfit and I don't know how cute it's gonna look. In my head, it's working. Theoretically, ooh, yeah. In my head, it's working well for me. From here, I feel like that's cute, like that's fine, it's fall. And then I have, don't mind Duke's pillows, he loves to lay on those. Then I have like army green leggings. I don't know, I'm gonna wear white Converse, but I just don't know. I mean, I know it doesn't matter, but let me know, whoa. Gotta swap this. Let me know what you guys think of this outfit. Is it something that you would wear, or does it actually just like look okay on me? I'm gonna wear it. Oh, but I'm nervous. I want to rock it and I feel like I can, but I'm also nervous. Dukers! Oh, there you are. I just hate how dark it gets right there. I just don't know. I'm kind of nervous. So I'm gonna put on my shoes. I'm gonna hurry and get in the car. We gotta go. And then, oh my gosh, this house needs to be cleaned. This house needs me to film the videos that I'm about to film. Lord, it needs it. Okay. Okay, sorry you're a little wobbly, but I'm on my way. I just called them to make sure that they weren't that busy and that I only needed to bring like money and then my previous driver's license. That I didn't need like any forms or anything. So we're all good. We're leaving. And I already feel 100 times better than I did yesterday. Like, I feel so good. I'm so happy I got up and got ready and that like I have things to do. I just want everyone to know that it is 100% okay if you have anxiety or stress or just need a day off and you want to lay in bed all day and take baths and pamper yourself. That is fine. But other times, sometimes you do just need to get up and get going and do what you need to do. And doing more is better for you sometimes. I don't know if that makes any sense, but sometimes it's way better to just lay in bed, and other times getting up, getting ready, and getting shit done is better. And that's just how it is. My camera's dying, the lighting's horrible, but I'm going to the DMV and I will see you guys in just a sec. Okay, I'm back. Oh my goodness, come here. No, come here, come see your mom. I know, you want to see your mama. I'm back from the DMV. That took probably like less than 20 minutes. So fast, I didn't have to wait at all. So I'm super happy that I went today in the morning. Oh, I love my mamas. Anyways, as I was saying in the car, I'm sure the point came across, but I'm really happy for myself today that I got up, got ready, and am doing stuff and getting things done. But if you ever need a day where you need to just lay in bed, lay in the tub, whatever, do it. Take care of yourself. Treat yourself. 2018. That's what today is. That's what this vlog's called. We're treating ourselves. We're not going overboard. We're not going to go spend a ton of money, but like we're taking care of ourselves. We're pampering ourselves. We're treating ourselves. 2018. So, my camera's flashing dead, so I need to charge it so I can film 2 of my videos today. And while it's charging, I'm going to probably edit or film, or not film, I'm gonna edit if I have anything, play around on YouTube, probably make Riley some lunch so that when he comes home in an hour, food will be ready and my camera will be charged, and then we're gonna have a productive day, a fun day, a good day. Sorry for the quality switch. My camera's obviously dead and I'm making breakfast, so I can't use it. But I'm making some French toast and I'm gonna make some scrambled eggs for Riley. He's still probably like 30-45 minutes away. So I'm not 100% sure why I started this so soon. But he actually likes French toast and like his pizza bomb things reheated better than he likes them fresh out of the oven or fresh off the griddle. So I guess it's fine and I can start eating, even though I want to wait for him, but I'm hungry. It's 10:18 and I haven't eaten anything. Then again, neither has he, because he never takes breakfast. Shame, shame, shame. But, yum. He loves French toast. And it's so easy to make, so I don't make it as often as I probably should, because he loves it. But I'm making it now not only treating myself, but I'm treating him because it's a relationship. Also, I know this is silly, but I saw a post that said, happy wife, happy life. And it was like, no, happy spouse, happy house. And that's how I feel. Like, Riley makes sure that I'm happy all the time. But it's so important to me that I make him feel just as happy because I love him so much. He literally brings so much like calmness and happiness and serenity and love to my heart and my body and like my house and my life. Like, he literally like calms my soul by just hugging me or like saying, hi, I love you, Al. Like, oh, he melts my heart. We've almost been together for 5 years and I still like literally swoon over him. That's like a word that we use together. If we're ever like super in love or super like something that someone else did, I don't know, we always be like, oh my gosh, I'm swooning, you're so cute. So that's like what we say to each other. So I'm definitely swooning. I always have been, I always will be. I have a dog playing with a water bottle in the background. Bubba's. Hi, handsome. But I just feel so lucky with Riley, and I like to treat him. When I'm treating myself, I like to treat him too. So I needed breakfast, so we're gonna eat his favorite breakfast. Happy Saturday morning. I'm sure you can hear a crazy little dog running around. I didn't finish the vlog from Thursday. We just didn't really do anything after that. We kind of just had a really, really relaxing night at home after I like got all my errands done and everything. So today is Saturday and we have a very fun and busy day planned. Excuse you, mister. So if you can see this green blanket behind me, Riley and I built a fort last night. We did a major cleanup of the downstairs, and so we had taken the chairs out of the kitchen so we could like clean the floor, like on hands and knees clean it. So they were in here and we're like, let's make a fort and sleep down here. So we got our air mattress out, all of our blankets, and Riley played Madden until like 2 in the morning, and we just like snuggled and had a lot of fun. I'm gonna show you it. I'm kind of embarrassed to show you just because it looks really messy, but it was really fun, and I don't actually care because even though we're both 21, we're married, we have a little dog, I feel like I'm never gonna stop doing things like this. Like, I wanna build forts with our kids and our grandkids, and I love it. I had so much fun last night, and I was like, why don't we do this more often? He's like, I don't know. I'm like, it was not that hard. And now it's Saturday morning. Riley went to go play basketball at like 6:50. It's now 7:50. I woke up basically right when he left and showered and just took a bath, or I guess, no, I didn't shower. I took a bath with one of my bath bombs. It was so relaxing. It was just so warm and cozy. Now Duke is running crazy on the fort, which I'm gonna show you guys, and we're just gonna have a really fun day. We also have one of our like best friends couple. It's their wedding tonight and we're so excited for them. So we're gonna go to that. We're gonna go run some errands. Riley needs some more like dress clothes, and they're having like a sale that I'll talk about. But yeah, we have a lot of fun things planned for today. So I'm gonna clean up the fort before Riley comes home, just so everything is clean and I'm awake, so there's nothing else to do. So, oh, and Duke has a grooming appointment this morning, so that little baby needs it. But yeah, I'll show you the fort.
They're already 50% off.
Dang. Okay, we are JCPenney and I'm on my phone, so it's gonna be bad quality. But we are at this event for Riley's school. They have like 50% off all business stuff and like dress things to promote like hiring and dressing nicely. So we were shopping. We've gotten some goodies already, and yeah, it's going very well. We're really excited, so I wanted to vlog it because this is super fun. I thought that was so cool. I didn't really think Pocatello would have anything like this, but it's awesome.
Does it look weird too short?
No. That outfit doesn't look great, but...
Hold on, I'm not gonna wear this.
We'll be back to camera quality soon, I promise. But we picked up the Bubba's, and he's so cute. He looks so handsome with his bandana. Oh, you're so handsome. We finished shopping, then we went and got Duke, and we picked up a treat and, well, 2 treats actually. One because he went grooming and we always get him a cookie, and then the other ones are like his training or like treats when he's being good and we leave him at home, or we have to put him somewhere and we give him a treat because it takes him a little longer to chew it. My handsome little boy. Now it's noon. Not sure what we're gonna do, but then probably in a couple hours we'll get ready and head over to the wedding. Okay, do you guys see? Okay, you can see the smoke behind me. I don't know if you can hear me, but you can see the smoke. There's a wildfire that just like happened 2 hours ago that's threatening homes on the west side of town where we live, which is great. I don't know why or how it started, but that just kind of sucks, and I wanted to show you guys. We're going into Ross now because we're trying to find some khaki pants for Riley for the wedding tonight, so fingers crossed. Thank you. Okay, so as I was saying, we went to Ross and TJ Maxx to try to find Riley some khakis, and we couldn't find any, which doesn't make very much sense to me, but now we're gonna go home, and I'm not really sure. We have probably like 30-ish minutes before we need to start getting ready, but we probably need to like put together an outfit for Riley just because we don't know what he's gonna wear still. So we'll do that. And we're gonna go out to the wedding, and I'm not gonna film any of that, but I'll show you guys what we look like or insert pictures. But yeah, then other than that, we're just gonna come back home and sleep on our air mattress again because we're 5 and we loved it. Alright, today is now Sunday, and I'm going to end the vlog here. I think it was kind of a jumble. It was kind of like a weekend-ish vlog. So I'm going to put it all together. Hopefully it turned out good. If it didn't, don't worry, not all vlogs will be like this. That one was just compiled and jumbled because the day that I started filming it, I was filming 2 other videos. Like not vlogs, and so I needed the camera for those and they were dying, so then it ended up being on my phone, and then it was a whole thing. No excuses, but if you didn't love it, I'm sorry. There will be more better ones, but I also am gonna start editing it, and the Patriots play tonight, which we're super excited for, so we are gonna go over to his parents' house, make some burgers on the Traeger, and watch that game with them. So I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to tell me what your favorite type of video is, whether it's vlogs, DIYs, cleaning videos, sit-down videos, whatever. Tell me your favorite kind of videos and what you'd like to see from me. I love you, and I will see you on Thursday. Bye.